welcome to another episode of Afro Scientific Spirituality. My name is Ife West. If this is your first time on the channel, you are highly welcome. This is a place where we separate the facts from the fiction, the science from the superstition, and the concept from the misconceptions about African spirituality. Today, I'm going to be talking about a process or a particular herb that you can use to induce spontaneous abortion in women, and you can also use it for family planning. This herb is a very simple plant. It's a flower actually, and I am doing this very video in response to the recent Supreme Court's decision in America to prevent women from getting access to abortion, which is supposed to be a human right for every adult in the world. So I've been following that case for quite some time now. As you know, I have a lot of friends and family in America, even though I've not yet been there before. And I don't know if I will ever be there one day. But I've been seeing so many things that is going wrong with that country. I'm not saying my country is the best country. My country is one of the worst country in Africa, Nigeria. Sometimes I will say I'm ashamed of that place, but it is what it is. We just have to manage what we can salvage from there. But at least the women, they still have right to abortion, if you ask me. But America is like it's going backward every day. I don't just know what is wrong with those people. They're just like they are on a mission to be making the kind of the worst decisions day by day. I don't just know. They are quickly becoming like a third world country. I don't know. Very soon, they are going to overtake Nigeria. The way I'm seeing it, the next thing for America to overtake Nigeria in the area of bullshit is to have like Boko Haram and terrorists and headsmen having a feed day. I think America is getting to that point right now with the kind of things I'm seeing in that country, the kind of policies that they are making. This issue of Supreme Court in modern day 2023 trying to tell women that they cannot have access to abortion is totally absurd. And in the aspect of African spirituality, this is a very simple matter. It's very simple to solve. You don't need those pharmaceutical companies to be controlling your life. Today, I'll be telling you the herb that you need. You just need just one herb. This very one that I will be telling you will solve the problem of abortion. There is no law against you not having this herb in your garden. Simply go and buy it and plant it on your garden and be using it for your birth control and contraceptive needs, and tell those big pharma and the laws to go to hell. Okay? You can easily do this. The name of this herb that I'm talking today is called the Prickly Chaff Flower. They also know it as devil's horsewhip. Okay, the devil's horsewhip. You can type it on the Google. The botanical name or scientific name is Achyrantines Aspera hell. Sometimes the Aspera go with hell. Sometimes the Aspera stand on its own. But that is the botanical name, Achyrantines Aspera. This herb is a very powerful herb on its own. It does a lot of things for the human body, and I'm going to be listing some of them. Apart from the contraceptive nature, people use it in Africa to treat cough. They use it to treat bronchitis. They use it to treat rheumatism. They use it to treat dysentery, asthma, high blood pressure, and diabetes. They also use it to treat wounds and the skin disease called ringworm. Then we in Africa, some of us eat what they call snail. If you know, snail is a kind of delicacy for some people, one animal that works with a shell that is very sticky. Some people like to eat it in Africa. The problem is that when you catch this snail, the body is always sticky. To get it to stop bringing that sticky stuff is a problem. So we have different means for washing the stickiness off before eating it. Some people use halum. They soak the snail in halum. It helps with that. Some people also use lime. The snail also have a lot of bacteria. We use lime to wash it. Then some people also use this devil's horsewhip to wash the stickiness from the snail. So they use it for washing it. If you cannot find lime, you cannot find alum, you can also use this leaf to clean your snail. It helps to also clean the bacteria and fungi that is attached to this snail, because snail always carry bacteria and fungi that move and crawl all over dirty places on the ground, on feces and the rest. So they use this very leaf to do that kind of thing, to clean it up. This leaf is also used in the treatment of certain STDs like Staphylococcus aureus. They use it for treating it. It's effective. Things that have to do with the reproductive system, it's effective. It's antifungal, antibacterial. So it's a very powerful herb on its own. Then we particularly use this leaf for delivery in Africa. In Nigeria, this leaf is used by the Urhobo people to solve the problem of hard delivery uh, by women. This is a situation whereby a pregnant woman is finding it difficult to deliver a baby, whereby the lady is taken to the midwife, they're asking her to push. She's trying to push, the baby is not coming out of her body. What they do is that they get this leaf quickly, then they use alligator pepper. I have talking about alligator pepper before on this channel, called grains of paradise. They take alligator pepper, they use it to wash some of this leaf, and then they rub it on the stomach of the pregnant woman. Almost instantly, the baby comes out. Okay, it comes out, it's work like magic. That is a spell. You get this leaf, you wash it with alligator pepper, and you rub it on the stomach of a pregnant woman that is at the verge of delivery, and it aids in the full and speedy delivery of the baby. So this is what they use this leaf for. It's a very well guarded secret and a very powerful leaf that we use in our culture to solve this problem of hard delivery. Okay, but on the flip side, this leaf is also used to as a traditional contraceptive. So if you are a lady, you don't want to get pregnant, what you need to do is that you need to be taking this leaf constantly. You get some of this, the full leaf, you soak them in alcohol, be drinking this mixture every day, morning and evening, be drinking this mixture every day, morning and evening. You can have sex as you like, you will never get pregnant. Okay, it's a natural contraceptive. You don't need to go to any pharmacy. You don't need any doctor's permit, any doctor's or pharmacy paper for contraceptive. You just need to buy this plant and plant it on your garden, and you have your need. For those my sisters in America, anybody can use this thing. There's a lot of scientific documentation on this very herb. I will put some under this video so that you can start from there to do your research. So that you can know more about these plants. Okay, some people might know about it, most people overlook it, but you don't know when you will need this type of things. This is the reason why I started this channel, to be talking about nature tips that you can use to live a very happy life without going through the bureaucracy or bottlenecks of oppressive and repressive governments that want to take away our happiness for no reason. We don't understand what is happening. So this is a very, very effective natural contraceptive that you can get if you are living in America. Google this leaf, find this at the botanical shop, get it and plant it in your house and start using it, and tell the government to go to hell. Okay, so this video quite naturally is in continuation of my last video, the video I did yesterday on abortion and spirituality, American abortion story. I'm looking of a way to help these women. This is my own contribution to help you. Okay, you try to thank me later. Get this plant, it will solve your problem of getting contraceptive in America. This will solve your problem free of charge without spending any money. But don't forget to thank me later. Okay, so this is what I have for you today. Questions and comments are welcome. Like and share my videos. Hit the notification bell close to the subscribe button so you'll be the first to get my videos. If you would like to learn about the inner secrets of African spirituality, I have a website I call www.kindoki.net. Go there now, register, and you see access to my videos. You see me doing rites and spells that you can use to hack different aspects of your life to put things together. Or you can just simply support my channel. A simple donation is not a bad idea. And you can also buy my book too on African spirituality and the scientific and validity of principles regarding it. So with that being said, I wish you a wonderful day, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Take care and bye. Peace.